is the cake that I made for Anushka Sharma's birthday that Virat Kohli ordered. That cake, too, believe it or not, came by reference. So I think the very first cake I baked was with my mom. She always baked for us. Each of our birthday cakes was handmade. We had guitar shaped cakes, we had like train shaped cakes. And she made all of this from this Betty Crocker cookbook she had that my grandma gave to her. Um, in fact, the chocolate cake recipe I use till date is from that book. The measurements are in cups, highly impractical, but it tastes different. I think that's where my love for this began. I started life professionally as an architect. Um, I studied the whole 5-year architecture course. I worked for 2 years, but something in me just wasn't sitting right. I think I realized I enjoyed coming home and baking more than I was enjoying doing that. So that's when, this whole risk taking ability in me kicked in. And I said, okay, you know what? The time is now. Let's do this. I decided to quit my job and I signed up for the course at Lavon. This was in 2016. I loved how technical things were, yet creative. That's exactly what I like. I love things being precise and scientific, but also with that freedom to experiment, try, do something new. And cut to the end of the course, like the very end, the last 3 days. And then enter Chef Juni. And she did this 3-day cake decorating class with us, which just changed my life, quite literally. Okay, because the way that class went, how exciting it was, the feeling of, sugar paste in my hands, making these delicate flowers. I couldn't believe that we were doing these things and they were edible. So I think that's when I realized, okay, you know what? If I'm going to try something, this is going to be my first shot. I'm going to try doing custom cakes first. When I first started, I started baking out of my parents' home. Small little oven, just utilitarian 12 cupcakes at a time, 2 kgs of cake at most. And it did the job. I started slow. I was taking maybe 1 order every 2 weeks, but I kept at it. And I think a lot of people were very kind to me at the very beginning. A lot of people just took that leap of faith and started ordering from me. And 8 years later, some of those customers still order from me. And it's that personal touch, I feel. I still know them. I know their names. I know their kids' names. It's part of the journey, and I've been part of it too. I think, in fact, another cake that came that's recently, got a lot of attention is the cake that I made for Anushka Sharma's birthday that Virat Kohli ordered. That cake, too, believe it or not, came by reference. It came through word of mouth. I'd say never discount word of mouth, never discount keeping those relationships with people and maintaining it. It's what does good, in a business. Life gives you these opportunities, They come to all of us, and you have to take it, I think. And that's what I've made sure to do through the process. Whenever the opportunity has come, I've never said no. I always try. I'm Uttishta and I make custom cakes for a living.